Oh, hey, didn't see you there. My name's Mark with Mark's Kitchen, episode 9. Today we're gonna make a scrumptious cocktail, one of my personal favorites. It is called the Old Fashioned. Let's get started. You're gonna need a nice whiskey glass, a nice round sphere of ice, some nice aromatic cocktail bitters, some white sugar cubes, the Luxardo Maraschino cherries, some of your favorite bourbon, a nice lemon, and an orange. Last but not least, some club soda. To get started with your old fashioned, what you'd like to do, take a splendid sugar cube and place it in the glass. Take your bitters, add 2 to 3 splashes. Now add a bar spoonful of club soda and proceed to muddle. Add your favorite bourbon into your glass very carefully.
Don't know where I felt like I could get a little drink around here, do you, bud?
With your bar spoon, generously stir the mixture. Once that is complete, take an alternative glass and slowly pour the mixture over the cube of ice. Stir generously. Take the zest of a lemon, fold and squeeze over the top of the glass. Place into the glass. Now you want to do that same thing, but with the peel of an orange. I have sliced to my finger. Please do not do that. Same thing with the orange. Squeeze and twist for extra zest. Place in the glass. Last but not least, you'll want to add cherry to finish. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the Old Fashioned. Cheers.